students. Today we will learn about a computer system. Okay, now let us talk about a computer system. Meaning, computer is a useful machine. It is used in almost every sphere of life. We can play games, write letters, draw pictures, listen to music, store information, solve mathematical problems, etc. It can work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. In the previous class, we have learned the use of computer in different fields. Let us review some of these areas. Space research, offices, hospitals, designing, defense, airport, animated movie, banks. Students, do you know Charles Babbage is regarded as the father of computer? Okay, now let us talk about hardware. The physical parts of a computer that we can touch or feel are called hardware. As we already know, a human body consists of different parts. The outer parts of a body are visible, whereas the parts like brain, lungs, heart, etc., which are inside, cannot be seen. Similarly, in a computer, we can see only those parts of the hardware that are outside. Example, monitor, keyboard, etc. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. We can see them when we open the body of a CPU box. Example, hard disk, CPU chip, etc. Students, let's understand the main parts of a computer. A computer has the following 4 main parts that help in performing the IPO, input, process, output cycle. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. There are 3 different types of monitors. Number 1, CRT, Cathode Ray Tube Monitor. CRT monitors contain a vacuum tube and are bigger in size and consume more power. Number 2, LCD, Liquid Crystal Display Monitor. LCD monitor has a flat type of screen. It consumes less power. Number 3, LED, Light Emitting Diode Monitor. These monitors have better display. These are thinner and lighter in weight. LED monitors use 40% less power than LCDs and last longer. These are the most commonly used monitors today. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of a computer that processes all the instructions given to the computer. It solves all calculations and displays the result of the monitor. It also stores a lot of information. A CPU is made up of 3 main parts. They are MU, CU, and ALU. MU, Memory Unit. In this unit, we can store data and instructions which are to be processed and then passed on to ALU or CU. Control Unit. The control unit works like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. ALU, Arithmetic and Logical Unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs logical operations like finding the greater number, smaller number, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to and not equal to numbers. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys, which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. Okay, students, know the fact that Sir Christopher Latham Sholes is regarded as the inventor of QWERTY keyboard layout. Number 1. Typing keys. These keys include letters, alphabet keys, numbers, number keys, punctuation, full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, single quote, double quote, and special symbol like plus, minus, semicolon, dollar, etc. keys. These keys also include the shift, caps lock, space bar, backspace and the tab keys. Number 2. Control keys. These keys are either used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. Control, Alt, Windows, Logo key and the Escape key are the various examples of control keys. Number 3. Function keys. These are used to perform specific tasks. These keys are placed on the top row of the keyboard and are labeled as F1 and so on till F12. These keys have different functions in different programs. Number 4. Numeric keypad. The numeric keypad consists of number of keys from 0 to 9, the arithmetic operators, and the decimal point, similar to the keys of a calculator. It is placed on the right side of the keyboard and is used for entering numbers at a fast speed. Number 5. Navigation keys. These keys are used to move through the documents or web pages and editing the text. These keys include arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. Home moves the cursor to the beginning of a line. End moves the cursor to the end of a line. Page up moves the cursor or page up by one screen. Page down moves the cursor or page down by one screen. Delete erase a character after the cursor or the selected text. Insert turns the insert mode on or off. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. It is connected to the CPU by a cable. A mouse usually has 2 buttons on it. It is used to point, select and move any object on the screen. When we move the mouse with our hand, a pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. It also helps to draw pictures. Nowadays, the scroll mouse is more in use, that has a scroll wheel in the center of the 2 buttons. Students, do you know that Dr. Angelbot is the inventor of the computer mouse? Okay, students, let's talk about other hardware devices. Touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen that is sensitive to the touch. We can select the objects directly by touching with fingers without using any pointing device. For example, tablets, laptops, ATMs, cell phones, etc. Okay, let's know more about Magic Mouse. A Magic Mouse is a multi-touch mouse which was designed in 2009. Scanner. It is a device that reads the text or pictures printed on a paper and translates the information into a form that only a computer understands. There are mainly 3 types of scanners: flat bed scanner, sheet fed scanner, and handheld scanner. Printer. A printer prints the output you see on the computer screen on a paper. The output printed on paper is called hard copy. Plotter. A plotter is a kind of printer for computers. It is used to print on very large size papers. Plotters print their output by moving colored pens across the surface of a piece of paper. They are generally used for flex printing. They can draw complex line art, including text, but do so very slowly because of the mechanical movement of the pens. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music and sound stored in a computer. Light pen. It looks like a pen that can be used on a special pad. Whatever you write on this pad is visible on the monitor. Joystick. It is used for playing games. It helps to move the items on the screen. Pen drive. It is very small in size, but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It is easy to carry and handle. Hard disk. A hard disk is a device that can store large amounts of information. It is present inside the CPU box. Compact disk. CD stands for compact disk. It is a round, flat and shiny disk that stores a lot of information. Microphone. A microphone is used to record a voice and different sounds into a computer. It also helps us to talk to our relatives and friends.